Hey guys, onza04, and I'm bringing you a little torque wrench. It's good to about 60 inch-pounds, so there's the range right down there. Sorry about the reflection. The reason I bought it is for my shotgun, so let's just open this up real quick. It's the fat wrench is what they call it. Pretty easy packaging, which is nice. You don't have to destroy anything. Anything else notable? Accuracy within 2 inch-pounds plus or minus. There's that. So the cool thing is this comes with a case, which is not displayed on the website, but it does come with a case. You can see kind of just a cheap old plastic case, nothing too special. They're stationed out of, looks like Missouri, Missouri, Columbia, Missouri, my mistake. And it's got lead, but what doesn't? So you got a little calibration certificate card, some instructions, and then the product. Let's see if I can snip this without destroying my... Alright, look at that. So right off the bat, it's pretty chunky. It's a pretty heavy little device. So let me remove this. Got all your bits here. Looks like a quarter adapter, a couple Torx bits, looks like a couple hex bits, and then just flathead screwdrivers. And you got a gnarly flathead right here. Here is the case assembly. Let's see if I can do this without breaking. And that's down there. Nothing too special, so it doesn't really latch pretty good. It doesn't latch well, but you know what? It's still protected. So there's that. There are some instructions at the bottom. It looks like you have to lock it, unlock it, and then set it. So it's a 1, 2, 3 process. Looks like you pull and you twist based on what you're trying to do. Cool. All right, man. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. There's a brief demo. I'll roll in a little bit of footage on when I adjust my shotgun. So here's the product demo. All you have to do is pull this bottom. See, there's a little spring, and twist. That sets the tension on the wrench, right? So we need to get to 22 for screws that are down at the rail level, and 28 inch-pounds at the ring level. So let me get there. Let's see, we're at 20 there. Somewhere around there looks good. So then you drop it. Looks like there's a little bit of a shadow, so I do apologize. Let's see if I can lift this up. Nope, can't do that. So it's loose right now, right? So I'm gonna just tighten it, just little by little, and then eventually it'll snap. See, there you go, 22 pounds. And then at that point, just clicks, kind of like a torque wrench, right? So let me bump this up to 28 now. Somewhere in the vicinity. So here's this one. So that one was tight enough. 28. Keep tightening, keep tightening. Eventually it'll just snap. 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 See? So I'll just go back and just verify these are all good. Oh, looks like I missed one. which isn't a good thing, so I'll have to double check all the, here we go. Let's see if I can get this back into frame. Locked, good, 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 and last one. Looks like that one needed a little more mustard. So, let me double check the other ones and just double check these. And then when you're done, make sure you relieve the pressure on the spring. So, oops, of course I go the opposite way. Just keep screwing, go past the lowest point, and eventually it reaches the point where you can't do anything about it. So there you go, guys. Pretty simple project, doesn't have to be digital. It says it's accurate within 2 pounds or 2 inch-pounds, and you know, if I get in the zone, it's going to be either above or under. So I usually am more on the conservative side when it comes to this, so I'll notch it one or two notches higher than what it says. So hopefully that helps, guys, and enjoy the review. Thanks.